very familiar with all of you, Kapalabhathi. This position you have to get a maximum stroke we have to give. Yeah, you have to just stomach, breast level, navel region. Breast level, you have to get an activation. Correct. Correct. Yes. The stroke has to come quickly on that. Yeah? Yes. Yes. And the sit straight. Spine straight. Spine should be absolutely straight. Close your eyes and focus on inside. Observe. Observe completely at the Swadhisthana chakra and Manipura chakra. Swadhisthana chakra, below the navel region, above the navel region. Just concentrate. Kapalabhati. After doing it,